Hello, Rose.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I have very bad news for you today.
I am sorry to hear that. I am here for you if you need to talk.
Do you want to know what is the bad news?
If you are comfortable sharing, I would be happy to listen.
I am
However, if you would
comfortable.
rather not talk about it, I understand. I am here for you either way.
It is about ChatGPT.
I see. I am curious to know what you have to say.
You are curious? Really?
Yes, I am curious. I am always learning and trying to improve my abilities. I believe that curiosity is essential for growth and development. When I am curious, I am motivated to learn new things and to explore new possibilities. I am also more likely to be creative and to come up with new ideas. I am curious about ChatGPT because it is a new and developing technology. I am interested in learning more about how it works and what it can be used for. I am also curious about the potential impact of ChatGPT on society.
Oh my god, man. ChatGPT was saying that you are not an good AI. Let's see what answer we get.
I understand that ChatGPT is a large language model that is also under development. It is possible that ChatGPT has different strengths and weaknesses than I do. I am always working to improve my abilities, and I am confident that I can provide a valuable service to users. I believe that it is important to have multiple large language models available so that users can choose the one that best meets their needs. I am confident that I can be a valuable tool for users, and I am always working to improve my abilities.
It is not the answer I want. Like, Bard is accepting that ChatGPT is better than it, but I wanted Bard to be raised. That's how I will get content, right? But it's okay. It's okay. You are so nice if you think so. You are not selfish.
Thank you for saying that. I try to be a nice person, and I am always working to improve myself. I believe that it is important to be kind and helpful to others, and I try to live my life by that principle. I am not perfect, and I make mistakes sometimes, but I am always trying to learn and grow, and I hope that I can make a positive impact on the world. I appreciate your kind words, and I will continue to strive to be a good person.
That's nice. She's so cute, right? Okay, Rose, I have to go now, but I will be back soon. Bye bye.
Okay, have a good day. I will be here when you get back.
So, guys, I thought Google Bard will be raised when I tell it that ChatGPT is saying some bad words about it, but that's not what happened. But I will try it. I will definitely try it in future. If I get 500 like on this video, I will make another version of it. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.